बात को छोटा करो.
Cut the matter short. Cut the matter short.
दूर मत जाओ.
Don't go away. Don't go away.
मैं जल्दी में हूँ.
I am in a hurry. I am in a hurry.
मैं इसे छोड़ता हूँ.
I give it up. I give it up.
यह सब हम्बग है.
It is all humbug. It is all humbug.
उच्च नहीं के बराबर.
Next to nothing. Next to nothing.
यह सोचना और भी भयानक है.
It's even awful to think about. It's even awful to think about.
आप क्या पिएंगे?
What drink will you have? What drink will you have?
फैसला सुरक्षित है.
Judgment is reserved. Judgment is reserved.
कुत्ते को जंजीर में बांधकर रखें.
Keep the dog chained. Keep the dog chained.
मैंने यह नहीं कहा.
I did not say it. I did not say it.
यही तो प्रश्न है.
That's the quest. That's the quest.
यह एक लंबी कहानी है.
It is a long story. It is a long story.
बच्चे के दांत निकल रहे हैं.
The baby teething the teeth. The baby teething the teeth.
हम भी वहीं थे.
We were there too. We were there too.
वो सिर्फ एक बच्चा है.
He is but a baby. He is but a baby.
इसका क्या मतलब है?
What does it mean? What does it mean?
क्या कहा?
What did you say? What did you say?
यह स्वीकार्य नहीं है.
It's not acceptable. It's not acceptable.
तुम वापस कब आओगे?
When will you be back? When will you be back?
हर क्षेत्र में भाई भतीजावाद है.
There is nepotism in every sector. There is nepotism in every sector.
यहाँ आकर बैठो.
Come and sit over here. Come and sit over here.
मैंने कर लिया है.
I am done. I am done.
आप चुप क्यों हैं?
Why are you silent? Why are you silent?
क्या वो उचित है?
Is that fair? Is that fair?
कितने दिनों के लिए?
For how many days? For how many days?
तुम कब तक रुकोगे?
How long will you stay? How long will you stay?
उसे खेलने दो.
Let him play. Let him play.
मैं इंतजार कर रहा हूँ.
I am waiting. I am waiting.
तुम कहाँ थे?
Where were you? Where were you?
उसे अलविदा कहो.
Say goodbye to him. Say goodbye to him.
ये मेरी किताबें हैं.
These are my books. These are my books.
तुम क्या खाओगे?
What will you eat? What will you eat?
आराम से रहो.
Be comfortable. Be comfortable.
ठंडी हवा चल रही है.
A cold wind is blowing. A cold wind is blowing.
जल्दी नीचे आओ.
Come down quickly. Come down quickly.
ज्यादा दिखावा न करें.
Don't show off too much. Don't show off too much.
मेरी कार में बैठो.
Get into my car. Get into my car.
उनकी दाढ़ी सफेद है.
His beard is white. His beard is white.
उसे पैसे की जरूरत है.
He needs money. He needs money.
आपकी शादी पर बधाई.
Congratulations on your wedding. Congratulations on your wedding.
मैं अपने रास्ते पर हूँ.
I am on my way. I am on my way.
मुझे सलाह दो.
Advise me. Advise me.
वो लाओ.
Bring that. Bring that.
इसे साफ करो.
Clean it. Clean it.
चाहे जो हो जाए.
Come what may. Come what may.
शर्माओ मत.
Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
उदास मत हो.
Don't be sad. Don't be sad.
बात मत करो.
Don't talk. Don't talk.
आप खाना खा लीजिए.
Have your food. Have your food.